New data from the New York City Health Department shows a deepening divide as Black and Latino family communities are dying at a higher rate. CBS 2's Aundrea Cline-Thomas takes a look at the impact.
We met with Pastor Jay Gooding just hours before he officiated yet another funeral service.
I've done about 48 services since the shutdown.
Pastor Gooding is a clergy liaison for the 49th Police Precinct. He also leads two churches, including Fellowship Tabernacle, located in the 10469 zip code in Northeast Bronx. According to new health department data, it's one of the hardest hit neighborhoods in the city that accounts for the fourth highest rate of deaths, trailing behind Canarsie in Brooklyn, Far Rockaway, and Flushing in Queens. Among the lives lost include Gooding's associate pastor, Reverend Sidney Hargrave.
I actually cried for like 2 or 3 days. I put a memorial up on our Facebook page, and because he was like my right-hand person. He was one that was involved in the community, so it hurts.
This has become a misery map, highlighting widespread and long-standing disparities in Black and Latino communities, now by zip code. The dark purple shows the most impacted areas, which includes NYC residences. With more than 1,200 cases, residents account for a disproportionate amount of COVID deaths.
We're always trying to understand what we need to do to serve people and help people.
It wasn't until after the peak of the virus that city and state leaders turned their attention to the most vulnerable communities, distributing masks, providing more testing, and other resources.
The numbers cannot begin to tell the story of the utter heartbreak of more than 20,000 lives lost.
It's really traumatizing to me to see, families having to go through this.
Still, each week, Pastor Gooding is tasked with finding the words to console himself and so many others. Aundrea Cline-Thomas, CBS 2 News.